Really excited to walk you all through our newest product release, FloQast Ops. My name is Shivang Patel, sales engineer, and over the next few minutes, we'll chat about what exactly is FloQast Ops and how does it continue to help accounting teams and controllers today. For the familiar FloQast faces, this dashboard is where you've monitored global close status, you've understood if the numbers were accurate, and identified any key bottlenecks or delays to the overall close. But if you're fairly new to FloQast, well, this is really where it all started for us. When we first went to market, our goal was simple: build an easy-to-use, quick-to-implement software solution that was designed by accountants who have actually closed the books themselves, so that fellow accounting teams such as yourself could reap the benefits of managing some of their close tasks, automating month-end reconciliations, and providing reporting in the form of analytics and Flux. What we realized over time is the close is not just this isolated process that happens at the end of the period. It's more so this chaotic mix of waiting for upstream information from areas such as AR, AP, payroll, sales and use tax, or you're performing a lot of manual work and holding status update meetings just to get the numbers set. Any delays to the close would only present more downstream risk in the form of delayed financial reporting, inaccurate data, or God forbid, an expensive audit. But when you take a step back and look at it through the lens of a controller, their main responsibility is to issue accurate and timely financial statements to internal or external stakeholders. Yet we realized that a controller can't really achieve that goal efficiently unless they have end-to-end operational visibility into areas more than just the close. And with that, we were very proud to introduce FloQast Ops, a workflow manager that extends the core capabilities of FloQast Close, the automation, the collaboration, the visibility, but it extends these core capabilities to controllers so that they can better manage the full spectrum of all accounting operations in conjunction with the close. Now, as of August 19th, I, as a controller, not only have visibility into my July close, I can also understand if my team's got a head start on any pre-close August items. But as a controller, I'm also responsible for more than just making sure my team completes reconciliations. I may have a 401k audit, internal controls to manage, or other compliance efforts that I know I need to complete in July or in the current period as well. Now, alongside those compliance efforts, a controller very well may be working with departments or functions that are adjacent to accounting, yet still under the umbrella of the Office of the CFO. Finance and FP&A are a great example, where some of their workflow and procedures, albeit the execution of their work may take place in a separate system, the documentation of their workflow and processes can very well be captured in FloQast, such that the controller and the executives have full visibility from pre-close all the way through filing your financial statements. And that global end-to-end visibility can be powerful just to see if there's any bottlenecks. And lastly, as a publicly traded company, you may have an SEC reporting manager, or as a privately held company, you still are issuing financial statements to other key stakeholders. So you also have an ability to capture and document all of the different reporting workflow procedures in the same exact tool as you're managing the close. Now, from a controller's vantage point, I may want a separate view where I can look at the same disbursement of work activities in a calendar view, where by workflow I can understand what's on our plate for that day and do we need to manage any bottlenecks to make sure that we don't miss our deadlines. So tons of visibility from a controller perspective in terms of managing by exception, understanding where the key bottlenecks are. But if I look at this through the lens of an SEC reporting manager, for example, we also wanted to be able to provide out-of-the-box workflow templates for areas such as SEC reporting, or maybe you're privately held and you have general financial reporting. But FloQast has built out these templates where we can easily provide those to you as a starting place, but you also have the ability to customize your own workflow and your own template based on your business needs and goals. As an example, what we've done is built out, in this case, a true SEC workflow folder structure where not only do you have your core MD&A, the financial statements, but you also have documented footnotes where FloQast can be the evidence in terms of maintaining some of that support and ensuring that all the right steps are performed as part of that reporting process. Alternatively, I could be very well focused on compliance and managing some of my internal control needs, where in this example, I've had my full risk control matrix segregated by functional area with those controls tracked and the evidence of those sign-offs maintained in my system. There are tons of examples where you can use various operational workflows, whether they're upstream, occurring prior to the close, or downstream, that are occurring post-close. But by capturing all of those workflows in one centralized solution, we do believe that there is much more value and benefit in ensuring productivity and efficiency. One of the cool things that we noticed is, as part of our beta cycle, we had over 200 clients that were beta testing FloQast Ops, and some of their top workflows were right around compliance, reporting, and FP&A. Now, as we continue to make edits and adjustments to the functionality, the one thing that will keep core is the ease of use and the ability to manage and implement various workflows. Over time, not only will you still maintain the ability to retain your close workflows for any legal entities where you're managing reconciliations, but you'll also have custom capabilities to create your own workflows and manage them under a compliance or a reporting umbrella, because we understand that every business may have their own features, their own functionality, and their own process. So why not extend that capability so our clients can capture everything that's involved in them and their business all in one centralized application? Interested in learning more? Give us a call. Thank you for your time.